Good morning. It is August 26th and today is a Monday, so it's going to be very busy with a lot of meetings and classes. For today specifically, I have to study a lot of surgery because I just found out this weekend that I will be the primary surgeon on our first castration, which is happening next week. So it's going to be really busy with preparing for that surgery because I want to make sure I understand all of the anatomy behind the castration because it is our first one in the new surgery suite. So I'm super excited. I will be the first primary surgeon in that building. Today it's strictly just going over what a typical day looks like for me as a fifth term vet student at SGU. For today, I do have 3 meetings this morning. One is at 10:30 to pay back some money that I owed another student, and then I have an hour-long meeting with my research professors to discuss writing the abstract for the research project and putting together a poster or presentation to showcase what we've learned with the trends of tick-borne diseases on the island. We're doing quite a bit of stuff today, and then the third meeting is buying a white coat and a utensil tray for my apartment. For classes today, I have small animal medicine, large animal medicine, and theriogenology. Our diagnostic imaging class was canceled today because our professor's not on the island yet. And then once class does end, I do want to work on my livestock medicine assignment. And that's basically, we're given a case where we have to figure out what type of drug to use with the scenario, and then we have to teach the client about any side effects that it has or how to administer it, doing some medical math. And another thing that I have to do this morning is go to the local bank to deposit my check. I'm going to try and get some cash for it. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a like and subscribe for more because we have a lot of things going on this year. I am back from classes and I'm finally done studying for everything that I needed to get done today. I even prepared a little bit for surgery. I got to practice putting on my gown and gloving sterilely, and it's definitely more difficult than I thought it would be. Hopefully during the actual day it won't be as hard. But this morning went okay. My 3 meetings went perfectly. I got to meet with my research professors to discuss the plan for presenting the research at the research day here on campus, and it's going to be in November timeframe, so I'm trying to get everything done before that point, and I also have to come up with an abstract, so I will be writing that soon. But I did try to cash in my check that I got from the Palms Apartments for my security deposit, and unfortunately I can't get cash out here because I don't have an account in Grenada. So I'm just gonna have to wait until I get home to cash that in or put it in my account. The morning was kind of wasted with going to the bank, but that's okay. It's early on in the semester and we haven't really started all of our classes yet, so I'm not too concerned yet for everything that's going on. For classes today, we did a discussion about pruritus with small animal medicine, and then we had theriogenology, where we were talking about small ruminant reproduction, and then we ended the day with livestock medicine, where we started talking about the urinary tract conditions. And I am slowly preparing myself for tomorrow because tomorrow is one of my long days. I'm in class from 8:30 until 5:30 tomorrow. So it's going to be a very busy day. And I have quite a bit of preparations to do for the morning. So I'm going to probably do some of it tonight. So I will show you that part on how I prepare myself for the next day and do my nightly routine. I hope you enjoyed the vlog today, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more.